Hi everyone, again it's me, your math teacher Jello. For today's video, let's continue our discussion about operation and functions. So this time, division naman ang solve natin. So for division, we have quantity f divided by g of x. This is now equal to f of x over g of x, where g of x is not equal to 0. So meron tayong restriction dito. Yung g of x natin ay hindi pwedeng mag-equal to 0. Magiging undefined siya. Okay, so kung isosolve natin yung domain, so dapat yung number na yon na masosolve natin ay siya yung pinagbabawal or restriction, no? Okay, kasi siya yung magiging makakapagpa-undefined doon sa equation. Okay, halimbawa, we have two functions here. Okay, so kinapi ko to guys. And then, plug in or substitute f of x, equation niya ay which is 5x minus 2 over 3, no? And then, so dito guys, substitute natin yung g of x all over. Ito pa lang kasi yan guys. Yung g of x natin ay negative 7x plus 3 over 4. Okay, so paano tayo nagsisimplify ng ganito or nagde-divide ng fraction by another fraction? Okay, mag-recall tayo. If we have, let's say, gamit ako ng red pen. If we have a over b divided by c over d. Say for example, we have two fractions here. Copy the first fraction, which is ito yun guys. So a over b. And then, the division sign becomes multiplication. Yun yung rule natin, ha? Okay, and then, get the reciprocal of the second fraction, which is c over d, magiging d over c. The numerator becomes your denominator. And then, the denominator becomes your numerator. Or simply invert or get the reciprocal of c over d, magiging d over c. So, applying this, mamaya, okay, multiply natin yan. A times D is AD. And then, B times C is BC. Actually, pwedeng cross multiplication yan. No? A times D is AD. B times C is BC. Okay, same pa rin naman. Okay, apply natin to guys dito. Okay, equals copy ko to. So, 5x minus 2 over 3, no? Okay. And then, yung second fraction natin, get the reciprocal. Okay? And then, i-multiply natin dito, guys. So, times 4 over negative 7x plus 3. So, this time, mag-multiply na tayo. Ito na yon guys. So, 5x minus 2 times 4. O, isa-isay natin. 4 times 5x. So, guys, sulat natin dito. 4 times 5x is equal to 20x. And then, 4 times negative 2, negative 8, right? Over 3 times negative 7x, negative 21x. Okay? And then, 3 times positive 3 equals positive 9. So, kapag pinag-divide natin to guys, ito yung magiging sagot natin. Or, since negative to, positive over negative ay negative yon. Or pwede rin ganito yan, equals, negative, sulat natin na sa gitna, 20x minus 8 over 21x plus 9. Okay? Where the g of x should not be equal to 0. So, yun yung restrictions natin. Okay, I hope na meron kayong natutunan sa video ito. Thank you for watching.